Hello everyone, we're back with video number 2. So I got the New York Times article going and Microsoft Edge instead. Sometimes if you look at too many New York Times articles in your browser for a month, they kind of block you out after a while. Alright, so let's finish up with this citation. So here we're going to start with the authors. Now we have two. Alright, we're going to keep them in that order. And so we're going to do the last name, first name, and then say and first name, last name. Okay? So we'll get this where we can see it. Alright, so it's going to start with an S. So on our Works Cited page, that has to go before the Time article if you're using the Time article. So Circe, and then we'll put and, Matt, Rich Tell, period. Okay? Then we got our title. Quotes. Obesity was rising as Ghana embraced fast food, period. Then came KFC. Oops. There we go. All right. This is the New York Times. And then if we scroll below, it's the same thing for publisher. We just won't italicize it. All right. And then we got to have that date. Where's our date? Right there. So 2 October 2017. All right. Then we got the URL. Copy. Paste. Period. All right, we're going to remove it, the hyperlink. And then this was accessed on, for me, it's October 26th. All right, period. Okay, now as you can see, Word was like, hey, we're hanging stuff, so it hung that one all on its own. Okay? So that's our works cited so far. All right, now again, you don't have to use both the Daily Mail article and Times, just one of those. Okay? All right, so next we have the article from NPR about college students and hunger and poverty. All right, so her last name, the author's last name, starts with an R. So we got to make sure it's alphabetized correctly. So that's going to go before the one we just did. All right. Roma, Vanessa, and then our article title, Hunger and Homelessness are widespread among college students. Study finds. All right, period, quote. All right, this is from NPR. NPR. And if we scroll to the bottom, it's the same, NPR. And then our date is the 3rd of April, 2018. Make sure we get that URL. Paste. Okay, go back, remove hyperlink. And then we accessed on 26 October 2020. All right, so there we go with that one. And then finally, our last one.
Meet the LoomCube Panel Mini, our most affordable.
There we go, sorry about that. Alrighty, this is from CBS Sunday Morning, and this is a YouTube video. Now they created it, they uploaded it, so all we need to do is start with the title. And so it starts with homelessness, so that is going to HOM, go before that one. So, homeless college students out in the cold. Okay, this is YouTube. uploaded by, and it's CBS Sunday morning. CBS morning. Then what's our date? 20 January. Oops. There we go. 2019. And then the URL. And there we go. Okay. So that's pretty much all of the sources you need. So we've got the Daily Mail, Jim Gaffigan, Homeless College Students, the video from YouTube, How Cooking Can Change Your Life by Michael Pollan. Remember, you can use that video I gave you, especially if you don't have Netflix. But if you do have Netflix and you want to use that episode 2 water from Cooked instead, you are more than happy to do so. Then we've got the NPR article on homelessness in college students, the Ghana article, and then the Time. Okay, so remember, so it's either you pick the Daily Mail one or Time. You don't have to do both because it's the same information. And the same with college poverty. You can do the NPR article or you can do the YouTube video. It's up to you. Okay. So that is all of the citations for your Works Cited page. Again, if you're not watching these videos, you're missing out on a lot of easy points here for the Works Cited page. So please let me know if you have any other questions. If you decide to use the Netflix article or video, let me know, and I will send you the citation for that as well. The Works Cited is due the same time as your outline, Wednesday, November 11th, I believe it is. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you later.